Hi and welcome to Mulqueen.com. Today's video we're going to cover our gift registry. I'm Ken Mulqueen and thank you for visiting us today. It is a family business. My parents started this business in 1977. We have 3 locations in Arizona. Our main location's in Mesa, which is where most of everything ships out of. But if you visit our website, if you're not here in Arizona, it will show what specials are going on, coupon codes you can pop in. As you scroll down through the site, little scrollers on special machines. An important one, our newsletter sign up. My brother Darren sends out an email every Sunday. Nothing bombarding you, just lots of specials and upcoming events and just fun stuff, club stuff. Featured products that are on special or overstocked. Gift cards. Gift cards can be used online or in the store. It emails you a secure link with a code. But most importantly for today's video is on our gift registry. If you don't have an account, if you've never made a purchase on Mulqueen, put in your first and last name, email address, your password, and confirm it. As soon as you hit create an account, it'll send you an email, and it's going to want you to click to activate your email, activate your account. As soon as you log in, we'll sign in here real quick. Under account, you can view previous orders that you've made or purchases you've made in the store or online. And then we have our gift registry. So under our gift registry, if you create a new registry, I have one here I just created a little bit ago. Under a new registry, once you create the registry, you can always create it as a public registry, and then they can search by your name and find it, or you can copy and email a link to your registry. But now that I've created it, I can go shopping. So if we roll down here, say you're an AccuQuilt fan, we'll go into AccuQuilt and you'll find all the dies, all the specials. You'll have to bear with us. We're fairly new to the website and we weren't ready to launch the website in March when COVID hit. And we launched it and we were awfully busy. So we're still working on clarifying pictures and descriptions, but everything in our inventory is pretty much online. Right now under AccuQuilt fabric cutting, there's 103 applique dies. There's over 10,000 bolts of fabric, but if I go in and say I want Queen of Hearts, this is how you go in and actually add it to cart to purchase it, or add it to your gift registry. And I created a AccuQuilt wish list, so we can click on that. It's been added. I can go back over to AccuQuilt, and say I want to go to block on board die, and I also want this die is on my wish list. And we're going to make it easy for the kids for Christmas or however. Now, once those items are all added into your gift or your wish list, all they have to do is come down to find a registry, type in your name, and find registry. And there's testing ones I did, and here's that AccuQuilt one that I just set up. So if I go view, I can see the items that I wanted to add. I can either add them to the cart and purchase them online. It'll show if they've been purchased. And then if they do come into the store, they can always buy them right in the store, and the updates will go in here so you don't get more than one or whichever you've actually asked for. But that's our gift registry. We hope you enjoy the site, and we thank you for visiting.